YouTube? We're coming out here from Connecticut. It's mad cold out today. We're gonna be working on the brake wear sensor for a 2004 325i. Now this process should be like about the same across like all boards of E46, but if not, just look up some special directions and use this video as a guideline. First step you want to do is you're gonna want to have to jack your car up. I'm gonna be replacing the right side. So right here is the brake wear sensor. You want to just take that out of the pad. You're gonna follow it around here. And then you go under the car, and the actual insertion point, if you follow it, should be right around here. There's going to be a box right about there, which this sensor, this end of the sensor, is clicked in. Here's the new sensor, new connectors compared to the old one. It's a nice difference. Let's go ahead and take this old one out. Pop this new one in. Alright, so then reinstalling it is the same process, just in reverse. You want to run this end through that hole, plug it into the pad sensor right there, make sure it's clicked in, and then reinstall. Alright, once you have the sensor properly installed, you want to just throw it back on your wheel.
Yeah, put them back on. Yeah.